What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm by the name's called Barbara and I'm Ugandan, but working in Dubai as a housemaid. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. I really appreciate, I really love you guys. Thank you so much. In today's video, I ordered some stuffs from SHEIN HAUL. They bought them yesterday. I'm going to open them to see what they brought for me. As you can see, these are the things which I ordered. Yeah, tugenda kuba tutandikira ku kimu tulabe bye baatuleetedde, if they have not disappointed us. Okay, so let's go. I ordered some sports shoes. Na ordering nzeyeko ku engato za sports because I want to start sports. I'll be running around the house where I work from because I cannot go to the gym. So I ordered some sports shoes. As you can see, these are the shoes. They are very good. The quality is very good and they have not disappointed me, guys. As you can see, they are very nice. Another thing, let's go, let us see. I ordered some high heels. Wow, this is very nice. Oh my god, guys. As you can see, they're very nice. You see, yeah, I ordered some heels. They're very nice, they're very classy, beautiful. Oh my god, I cannot wait to slay, sorry, not to slay. To slay in these shoes. They're very beautiful. Oh my god. Oh, SHEIN, you have not disappointed me. As you can see, they're very nice. Mwah. I love them. So, I ordered some, I ordered some dress here. I saw this dress. I didn't know that. Let's see which they bought for me. Wow. Oh my god. This dress. Jesus. Oh my god. This dress is beautiful. The quality is very good. I didn't know that I'll get this dress. It's long. Yeah, it's long. So I'll put it on and I'll show you how I look like when I'm wearing it. Yeah, I'll put there the photo up, then I'll show you. It's very nice. Oh my god, I'm not disappointed. And I ordered some. I didn't order too much things. Yeah, I ordered some the legging. As I told you, I want to start sports. I'll be running around the house. Yeah, because I cannot go to the gym. I ordered some legging. It's very nice. It's stretching. Yeah. I'll put it on and see how I look like. And also the top. Oh my god, I'm not disappointed. The things are looking good. Oh my god. As you can see, Joe. Yeah. What else? And also, I ordered this skirt jump suit. It's short, yeah. It's short, but it's very nice. Yo. As you can see, it's short, but it's very nice. Yeah. What else? What I ordered? Let me see this. Wow. Oh my god. These. Oh my god. Jesus. Guys, as you can see, they are very nice. Oh my god, I cannot wait. Mwah. They're very nice. See, the quality is very good. You see, guys? Oh my god, it's very soft. I love them. What else? What else? I also ordered here a wallet here because I didn't have a wallet. I ordered this wallet from SHEIN, as you can see. It's very nice. What else? What else? What else? Come here. Are you done? Come, let me see what is this. What is this? Yeah, I also ordered this bra. Yeah, this bra also ordered it. I'll put it on and see how it looks like on me. What else? Let me see here. You. Yes, I ordered some home slippers. Yes, I ordered some home slippers because I didn't have home slippers. These ones, they were very old, so I decided to order some. They're very good. This camel also. Oh my god, banagi. Ega kunkolo chakamia. Those are movie but they're very good. Yeah. I'm not disappointed. Yeah, what I ordered is what I got. I'm not disappointed. Thank you so much. So that's what I wanted to share with you. As you can see, the things are very beautiful. This shoe, oh my god, oh my god, this is the best thing. I love them. I love them. By the way, SHEIN shoes, they are very good, by the way. Yeah, it's not my first time to order from SHEIN. I've been ordering some stuff, so this time, because we have been in Ramadan, we worked so much. I say no, I must order something from SHEIN. So guys, that's what they brought for me. I'm not disappointed. The things are very good as you have seen them. So watch this video up to the end. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye bye. I love you guys.